Your Audi's Wi-Fi allows you to connect up to 7 devices as a Wi-Fi hotspot or connect to external networks for faster app downloads and streaming services. Tap the small gears icon for settings and then tap Connections. To enable a Wi-Fi hotspot, tap Vehicle Hotspot. Tap the top button to enable the hotspot. From here, you can create a custom vehicle name that will show up as the Wi-Fi network on your device. You can then create a password that's easier to remember, yet still secure. From there, scroll to the bottom and turn on Internet access for connected devices. On your device, navigate to Wi-Fi settings. You will see the name of the vehicle as the network. Input the password and then connect. You are now able to use the vehicle's mobile hotspot data through your Audi Connect Plus subscription. To connect your vehicle to external Wi-Fi, navigate to Settings, then Connections, and then tap Wi-Fi. Turn on the Wi-Fi button and available networks will appear. Enter the network password and then tap Connect. Once connected, you will be able to use that connection for faster app downloads and streaming services.